May the entire world live in happiness. May all the worlds live in happiness. Words that truly capture the essence of human spirit, if you ask me. Love to humanity is a gift. Love to humanity is a gift from India to the world. It is a celebration of human spirit. A very engaging, very interesting conversation. Kubra in conversation with somebody extremely close to her. He's a host, he's a comedian, he's also a content creator, a multi-talented gentleman who has truly, tickled our ribs with his great sense of humor. We have Danish Seth in conversation with Kubra Seth.
Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and just think about all the things that have happened over the last few months. So many things just go beyond our most random imagination. But these last 3 months have also been a realization, a tool to say that no matter how tough the times, we are tougher than the times themselves. But I think this is not the moment to dwell on how tough the times have been. Right now, I'm going to be joined by somebody who has exactly done the opposite in these tough, trying times. He has become the nation's sweetheart. But well, what can I say? I'm just lucky to call him my sweetheart. He's my younger brother, and he is the funniest man I know from one screen to another. So, well, please join me in welcoming Danish Seth. Hi, Dan.
Hi, Didi. Thank you very much for that lovely intro. It is true. You either get owned by time or you own the time. And the first week of the lockdown was just as nerve-wracking for me as well as it was for the rest of the world. And then I realized I had to do something because work keeps me engaged, work keeps me busy, because I'm the classic example of an empty mind is a devil's workshop. So before the devil could take over, I got to the devilry myself.
Oh, wow. Yes. And I know, because your devilry has put a smile on so many million faces. I know that I can, without shame, admit that I watch your videos before going to sleep on loop. They're very entertaining. I have my favorite characters. But I'm interested in knowing that apart from, creating these incredible characters, what are the 5 things that you think have been monumental to you in terms of changing you as a human being, as a person during these lockdowns, during this lockdown?
One, the importance of time. 3 days to wrap up an entire series that we worked so hard for over a year. 3 days, we're just 3 days short, and we need those 3 days, like 72 hours to complete the project. At the same time, the importance of what 1 minute can mean and can do for yourself. So I think the importance of time, that's the first thing. The second thing is minimalism is sexy. I realized that the shoes that I kept buying, the clothes that I kept buying are just pointless because they really mean nothing.
You have nowhere to wear them and nowhere to go.
Yeah. What you have, what you wear, nobody cares what you dress like so long as your content is good. Number 3 is distance makes the heart go fonder. Be it with
I love you
family,
too.
friends, or loved ones. I did miss you, and I love you. That's 3. 4th one is time is a monster. You fight it, it'll wear you out. You embrace it, and you'll go well with it. I tried fighting it. It wore me out. I went with it, and it's done me well. The 5th thing is God helps those who help themselves.
So tell me, what's the one thing that you preserve the most? Like, what's the one thing that you'll never let go?
After this lockdown?
Yeah.
The funny objects, be it the paintbrush, be it this little gun, be it the toilet paper, be it the scissors, be it the nozzle of my vacuum cleaner.
The nozzle of the vacuum cleaner is a superstar. I mean, literally, the nozzle of the vacuum cleaner is literally the saliva of your 1 minute videos.
Oh yeah, it is. It is. I mean, so many things like this bag that makes me turn into Didi. You know, like Jaya, I hope you're fine. There are so many things that I can't let go of from this lockdown.
All right. And I think it's the perfect segue, to say thank you for what you've done during this lockdown.
Thank you for
You've been amazing. I have to say that I was worried when this lockdown started, not for me as much as I was worried for you. But oh my God, have you sailed through and are you a champion? And I can say that with absolute confidence. I'm very, very proud of you, my love.
Thank you.
And I think it's time for us to now take a look at what our next artist is going to perform. So are you going to please lead us there?
All right, let's go ahead and take a look.